Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It has become the true heart of the home, where style and function come together. A well-designed kitchen not only makes everyday tasks easier but also creates a warm, inviting space to gather with family and friends. Modern kitchen design focuses on smart layouts, beautiful finishes, and thoughtful details that balance practicality with elegance. In this video, we'll explore the most inspiring kitchen trends and remodel ideas that can transform any space into a stylish, functional, and welcoming environment. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for a few updates, these ideas are here to spark inspiration for every kind of kitchen. One of the most defining features of modern kitchens is the open concept layout. By removing unnecessary walls and creating seamless connections to the dining and living areas, the kitchen becomes a central hub for both cooking and socializing. This openness makes the space feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. At the same time, functionality remains key. Zoning the kitchen into areas for prep, cooking, and gathering ensures it flows effortlessly throughout daily routines. Kitchen islands or peninsulas often play an essential role here, serving as both workstations and casual seating spots. The result is a layout that encourages togetherness while still keeping the space practical and efficient. A minimalist layout brings a sense of clarity and calm into the kitchen, creating a space that feels open and effortless. The idea is to reduce visual noise by focusing on clean lines, smooth surfaces, and simple geometry that gives the room a modern, polished look. Cabinets with flat fronts or handleless designs blend seamlessly into the walls, while built-in appliances keep the overall appearance uniform and uncluttered. Countertops are left as open as possible, allowing the beauty of the materials to stand out and giving the room a more spacious feel. Hidden storage solutions play a big role here. Deep drawers, pull-out organizers, and concealed shelves keep everything out of sight but easy to reach. Even the lighting contributes to the look, with subtle fixtures that illuminate the space without drawing attention to themselves. Together, these elements create a kitchen that feels light, organized, and incredibly soothing, making everyday moments more enjoyable. Bringing natural elements into the kitchen creates a sense of warmth and timeless beauty. Wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and textured finishes give the space character while maintaining durability for everyday use. The combination of matte and polished surfaces adds depth, keeping the design from feeling flat. Natural stone, reclaimed wood, or even subtle textured tiles can provide a tactile quality that feels inviting and grounded. These materials not only enhance the look but also bring a calming, organic feel to the kitchen, making it a place where style and comfort meet effortlessly. Kitchen islands have become more than just functional workspaces. They now serve as striking focal points that define the heart of the kitchen. A well-designed island balances style and practicality, offering ample prep space alongside areas for casual dining or socializing. Popular choices include waterfall countertops that extend seamlessly over the edges, creating a bold and luxurious look. Combining different materials, such as warm wood finishes paired with sleek stone or quartz surfaces, adds texture and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Thoughtful additions like built-in storage, seating, or integrated appliances enhance both usability and flow. Ultimately, the statement island anchors the kitchen design, bringing together form and function in a way that invites gathering and everyday connection. Customizing the island to fit the household's needs ensures it supports a variety of activities, from meal prep to homework or entertaining guests. While neutral tones form the foundation of many kitchens, bold colors are increasingly used to add personality and depth. Deep blues, earthy greens, and even rich burgundy shades can transform cabinetry or walls into striking focal points. Pairing these tones with lighter neutrals creates a sense of balance and contrast that feels modern yet inviting. Accent colors can also be introduced through backsplashes, seating, or smaller details like fixtures and hardware. The key is finding harmony between boldness and subtlety, ensuring the kitchen feels vibrant without becoming overwhelming. Technology has found its way into every corner of the modern kitchen, making daily tasks more convenient and efficient. Touchless faucets simplify cleanup while reducing water waste, and smart appliances offer precise control over cooking and energy use. Integrated lighting systems allow you to adjust brightness and mood with ease, while hidden charging stations keep devices powered without cluttering the countertops. These innovations don't just add luxury, they create a kitchen that works seamlessly with your lifestyle, blending modern convenience with thoughtful design. Countertops and backsplashes set the tone for the entire kitchen, and modern designs often lean toward luxurious yet practical materials. Quartz, granite, and marble remain popular for their durability and elegance, while porcelain slabs are making an impact with their sleek appearance and easy maintenance. Waterfall edges create a dramatic effect, flowing seamlessly down the sides of islands, while full-height backsplashes add a bold, continuous look that ties the space together. Mixing materials, such as pairing a stone countertop with a tiled backsplash, can also bring dimension and personality. These surfaces not only elevate the kitchen visually but also provide lasting performance. Lighting is one of the most important elements in any modern kitchen, not just for visibility, but for creating mood and depth. A well-designed lighting plan includes layers, ambient lighting for overall brightness, task lighting for focused work areas, and accent lighting to highlight design features. Together, these layers bring warmth and functionality to the space. Under-cabinet LEDs illuminate countertops for cooking, while pendant lights over the island add both style and a welcoming glow. Recessed ceiling lights help distribute light evenly, making the kitchen feel open and balanced. When done right, lighting doesn't just make the kitchen brighter, it enhances its design, adds comfort, and turns everyday moments into something special. Every kitchen feels more complete when it reflects personal style. Adding subtle, thoughtful details transforms a modern space into something warm and inviting. Open shelving with curated decor, a unique backsplash pattern, or a touch of color through bar stools or lighting fixtures can all express personality without overwhelming the design. Balance is key. Mixing bold accents with neutral foundations keeps the space elegant and timeless. Whether it's a piece of art, textured walls, or handmade ceramics on display, these finishing touches tell a story and make the kitchen feel truly lived in. A well-balanced kitchen doesn't just look beautiful, it feels natural, authentic, and connected to the people who use it every day. Warm neutral tones have a way of making any kitchen feel inviting and timeless. Shades like beige, soft gray, creamy white, and gentle taupe create a calm, balanced atmosphere that suits both modern and classic styles. These colors work beautifully as a backdrop, allowing materials like wood, marble, or brushed metal to stand out naturally. What makes warm neutrals so appealing is their versatility. They blend effortlessly with almost any texture or accent, whether it's light oak cabinetry, matte black fixtures, or brass hardware. The result is a space that feels cohesive, elegant, and soothing to the eye. When paired with soft lighting and natural materials, warm neutral palettes turn a kitchen into a serene retreat, a place that feels both contemporary and comfortable, no matter the design style or size. Modern kitchen design is all about creating a space that feels effortless, welcoming, and beautifully organized. With thoughtful materials, clean lines, smart features, and personalized touches, any kitchen can become a place that supports daily life while still looking refined and inspiring. These ideas aren't just trends, they're practical principles that help shape a kitchen that works well and feels good to spend time in. Whether making small updates or planning a full remodel, each choice plays a role in creating a balanced and modern atmosphere. If these tips inspired you, don't forget to like the video, Share it with someone who loves home design, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more simple, smart, and creative ideas to elevate every corner of your home.